I feel like A-Turn, I've checked out their stuff, but it's been a minute. So I don't know the members personally, but we're gonna get to know them today, I feel. Real question. Is there real 8 guys? See, I go to the comments and they give me like the rundown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got 8, and it's we turning. All right, so this is a song that they came out with called "Like a Friend." This is a special clip. I'm not sure if there's a music video, but we're checking out the special clip. 8-Turn. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Captions on too. It's always a girl passing by. That's me. They need to put they just need to just hire me. But dang, like they never seen a girl before. Come on, guys. But it's someone special, huh? Uh-oh. You gonna ruin the friendship. This girl's gonna ruin us. Dang, a dozen. That she don't. Ooh. Ooh. I like his voice. Ooh, I like his outfit too. Who is this? Me? Dang, he biting his lip too. What the hell? How old are y'all? Wait. Okay. They on that school like school era like concept. 2002. Oh my god. Korean New Zealander. Oh, Alex Moon, Jaehyun. Okay. Myungho. That's the one that say that's him, right? This is him. Yup. What you say? Boy. Myungho, Ji Myungho. October 12th, 2001. Libra. You're 5'9". Okay, you taller than me. That's fine. It's 5'10". Okay, everybody taller than me. That's cool. He's the leader. Oh, Jaehyun is the leader, main dancer, lead vocalist. Okay. His favorite singer is Lana Del Rey. Oh, interesting. Oh, he was on Mix 9. Okay. School of Performing Arts, Seoul. Both parents are Korean, but from New Zealand. Interesting. Libra. Okay, he is the main vocalist, main dancer. Minho is the vocalist, 2002. Okay. Libras. Well, I love Libras. They dope. Yoon Sung. Cho Yoon Sung, vocalist, 2003. Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio King. Let's go. Haemin. Jung Haemin, vocalist, 2004. Pisces. Okay. Just like my girlfriend had, and she a Pisces. Which Pisces? March 16th. Let's go. Kyungmin. We got Cho Kyungmin, sub-vocalist, 2004. Scorpio. Let's go, Scorpio. You're 6'1". You tall as hell, and you so young. Oh, you the one. Oh, I know you were right here. You're the one singing on the railing, right? Yeah. Youngyu. Oh, he's so cute. Rapper. Okay. Virgo King. Yes, I'm a Virgo too. Let's go. I'm definitely not 2005 though. I'm 1990. Songhun. 2007. You're a rapper in Maknae. God damn. Oh, wait. I think I heard your voice. I think I liked your rapper voice. Let me see. Where is he? Yeah, him. I like your voice. Your rapper voice is good. I like it. Okay. Now that we got to know him a little bit. Yeah. Hey, I'm already taken. I can love you like a friend. It's cute. That's cute. If that's the case in the next life, oh, okay. I mean, that's cool. Wait, what does that mean? Like, I love you like a friend, but if you don't like me, just say you like me. Just say it now. If that's the case, then in the next life, like in our next life, we'll be friends, or like I love you. Damn, they are. They're all for that girl. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, he's good. I like it. And this is the other Maknae, or not Maknae, but like younger member, right? Let me double check. Yeah, Youngyu? Rapper as well. Virgo King. Let's go. We love Virgo Kings. Oh, Taurus. Okay. Not that that matters, but. Oh, my blood type's O as well. Why do I know that? I know Korea they do follow the blood type more. You're more beautiful. I don't want to hear you say I feel comfortable. Why? What? Like without them? Listen, movies do get people thinking about love and stuff, especially rom-coms and stuff like love stories like The Notebook. Very old school too. Hey, yeah, I like his voice. Woo, okay, jump shot. Oh, that's fire. Shout out to the editor for that one. Shout out to the editor for that one. He don't want to play this game. Ooh. That guitar too. Oh, good job on the editing and filming too. Ooh. Hey. Okay, basketball. Who's your favorite basketball team? Hey, yo. Okay, with the head turn. Let's go. Love You Like a Friend by 8turn. Okay, wait. Hold up. They had a comment section where they just kind of like show you. I love comment sections like so. Myungho is this. Okay, Myungho. Okay, he's badass. I like his drip as well, man. With the AirPod Pro Max, which I do love, but I know those things are expensive. That whole what's it? Good Boy. Hey man, I'm taking, bro. I'm taking. I'll not to like deny you, but you a bit young too. You're a bit young, but appreciate the effort. Wait. Jaeyoung. Oh, Jaeyoung. Bro, I feel like K-pop are getting younger and younger. Minho, right? Minho, Yoonsung. The one that's like a hopeless romantic. Oh, he's adorable too. He's adorable. They're all adorable. Heymin. Wait, which one's Heymin again? I don't think that was a. It would show Heymin. Oh, it is Heymin in the middle. Okay. That's what I thought. Heymin's dope too. They're all pretty good. I need to get to know them a little bit more. Yep. Good vocals too. Youngyu is the first rapper. Oh, I like his tone of voice too. No mola. Definitely the fave. I love his rapping voice. I don't know what. It's something about his tone. The projection too. It's good. All right, 8turn. I do like his voice, his vibes. His vibes are cool. 8turn, Like a Friend. Put a comments down below what you guys think of 8turn. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go check him out. Link in the description.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.